Dear Lord, thank you for this happy celebration of your most amazing gift, the gift of love. Thank you for bringing friends, family, and all of us together to witness the union of this lovely couple together.
I found love in you.
We have all experienced the love and support you both have during this wedding weekend. When there is so much love for both of you, the future looks bright. And I am very happy for the both of you.
Never have I felt.
I would like to thank all our friends and families from near and far that took the time out to come and celebrate Derek's and Amanda's wedding. I hope the marriage will last forever.
This is why I love you.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today because a prince has found his princess. And today, they're going to make their covenant to build their castle together forever.
This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me.
I've known Derek since diapers. And ever since I've known him, he smiles so much. I used to wonder that he's keeping something in. Like, it's not natural. You gotta have some type of anger at some point. But that's just the kind of guy he is. And just to see him in this kind of day for himself, to find somebody with that same type of kindness, I'm happy for you. You are my brother. I don't look at you as a friend, you are a brother. And Amanda, as soon as I met you, I knew that you were gonna be my sister.
One I've waited for, my love's design, the one he kept for me until it was time.
I have seen Amanda and Derek's relationship flourish from the beginning, and now you're getting married. They have survived the hardships of having a long-distance relationship for years, and now the day we knew would always come is here. May the love you have for each other grow each and every year. Amanda and Derek, may you live happily ever after.
I put my hand in yours, now and forevermore. Just put your faith in me. I will be all that you need.
Never experienced such a wonderfully, genuinely authentic friend as Derek Harkless. And meeting Amanda, who is as beautiful inside as she is outside, it's symbolical. There's nothing better like it.
It's been such a great experience to get to know both of you guys better over the last 10 years. I tell you, God has really blessed you guys. And to see your love, you know, as family, we want the best for everyone. And God really blessed my sister. There's not a better man that my sister could have than you.
All that I want to be is all that you'll ever be. I praise him for the day that he let you pass by my way.
I, Derek Harkless,
with God as my foundation,
I vow to love you with all my heart,
and to share with you all of my soul,
I vow to care for you in sickness and in health,
to comfort you,
to be honest with you,
to trust your love,
to respect you,
even when we disagree,
to support you whether rich or poor,
to do whatever it takes,
and to grow the love we have today
until the end of our forever.
Under the authority of God, Jesus Christ, the Holy Spirit, the laws of the state of Maryland, I now pronounce you husband and wife. What man has put together, let no man or woman put asunder. Derek, this is the moment you've been waiting for. You may now kiss your bride.
Amanda and Derek, when I think about you, I think of three things. Loyalty, you're loyal to each other, loyal to your friends, your family, dependable, and persistent. Many years have come since you first met through long distance relationship and lots of different challenges that you had in life. You were persistent and you stayed together and you've come to this beautiful day. And we're very happy for you.
Derek is the most genuine, nicest guy I know. When we were younger, my mom always told me, why can't I be more like Derek? So I had to tell Derek that he can't come to my house no more. He making me look bad. When I met Amanda, it just made sense why they were together. Because they just matched each other perfectly.